PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this nice Smith Corona electric all ready to go finally. After quite a few hours, it is in near perfect shape. Probably as perfect as you can get it. Type's wonderful. It's got a really good type style, very standard type style. Looks like a 10-pitch style. Balance is in perfect order. Making perfect impressions. Everything has been reworked on this machine. I mean, the covers is just pretty as it gets. Under the bottom, close this lid. Very nice too. It's got new rubber grommets everywhere. All four corners over here. Up here. Down here where they belong. Everything is secure. Very fast. And responsive. What a nice keyboard too. Boy, these are just nice. This might be my favorite Smith Corona electric. Repeat space. These just seem to work flawless after getting them fixed up after a couple hours. I think I've got about 4 hours in this guy. But it's worth it. It's a beauty. Looks great. Works great. Good for another 50 years. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.